And yeah, I'm trying to upgrade my style, and if I like something, I'm gonna do it. Good morning, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another vlog. If you haven't already, please subscribe and please like this video and comment down below. It will help me get exposure. It will help me get YouTube to share my videos more, so like I can get more people to be watching it. So please subscribe, like and share and comment all the above, please. It would help me a lot. Okay, so today's vlog is a self-care maintenance vlog. Right now it is currently 7:53 and I have my hair appointment at 9 and it's an hour away, so I need to start leaving now. But I wanted to do this intro to tell you guys what this vlog's about. I have blow dried my hair and it's stretched out underneath this bonnet. So I'm gonna take my braids out. They are looking, I'm not gonna lie, they're looking very bad. I've had it in for 6 weeks now, I think. I'm really not bothered to take it out. I'm gonna be watching some YouTube while I am taking it out. I'm watching Only Bells. I love watching her vlogs. So I'm gonna take my braids out. They look so old and I just feel like it's not acceptable. One takes it a time. I know you by your phone, so boy pick up your line. I need to find the bed, so don't know. Good morning, guys. It is Sunday. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I haven't washed my hair. It's disgusting, I know. It's like 7:30. I need to wash my hair today because I need to get ready because I'm going to church. And obviously I can't take my hair like this to church, because when I take my hair like this, you guys will cry for me. And we're gonna go wash my hair. So I just had a shower and washed my hair, so it's wet under this, but I didn't want to show my hair crazy or crazy on the internet yet. So I'm gonna style it. I'm gonna be doing a slick back bun today. Before I style it, I like to use these two oils on my hair because I do have really dry hair. So I like to use this coconut milk oil that I got from Priceline, as well as in this leave-in treatment as well that I also got from Priceline. I did texturize my hair, so my hair isn't like fully like how it used to be, which is okay. The other leaves easier, but I'm not going to texturize my hair again. I might decide in the future maybe to, but I don't know obviously. So I put these two things in my hair. My hair looks like a mess, but it's alright. We're gonna fix it. Okay, we're gonna start with blow drying my hair. I'm gonna put music over this and then put like what I'm doing on the screen because I want to watch some YouTube. You got me. Gonna be watching Hungry. I love her videos. Oh yeah, I do. Her video slaps. Okay, let's just get ready. Okay, I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna do my makeup and then I'll show you guys the finished look of me doing my hair.
We've been cooking since down in the DMs. We were like, okay, let's do the month after next.
April, you here? That's all that matters. March is gonna happen in April next year.
Yeah.
No, are you not on Twitter?
Oh, my Twitter, I like to say, if you find it, you find it.
Okay.
Because my Twitter has my old which...
And I'm doing butterfly locks. That's what I'm getting done today. I want to put this color at the back of it. Anyways, so what I'm wearing, I need to do this before because I need to leave now. Okay, so I'm wearing just this pre-neck. I think I got from factory. I'm wearing the track pants for my last retail therapy vlog, and I'm wearing my dunks. And I have my bag, which I think is from Colette. Yeah, so pretty simple. Let's go to get my hair done. Let's see. Hey guys, so I just finished my hair. I will show you guys properly when I get back home, but I love it. I look dead at the moment, but it's alright because at the end of the day I look cute anyways. Hey guys, it is the day after me getting my nails and my locks done. This is how my nails turned out. They just look like this. So like basically, I don't know how to describe it. It was pretty weird getting the poly gel X done because it was my first time getting it. This is my first day. I do like it. The middle finger is pretty thick and I don't really like how thick it is. So that's only the issue that I have. I did try to file it down a bit last night, but everything else I actually absolutely love. So there is that. So right now I'm gonna shave my eyebrows a little bit because I haven't shaved them in a while. Obviously I don't want to shave them too much, but I know you guys will be like, why don't you just go to the shops? I don't really trust the shops. They never do the way I like, so I only like when I do it. I think I did this one a bit thin, but it's alright. So this is how it looks. I think I should do like a proper everything for you. So I have a little bit of ombre going out in the front here, and where is the other ombre? In the front here, and then at the back I have like ombre. I hope you guys can see it. I have ombre at the back here. I think adds like a nice effect. I haven't done butterfly locks in over a year, and so I'm pretty excited about that. How to style it. I saw this girl on Instagram, like she literally styled her locks like this, and I thought it was so cute. I don't know if I should do that as well. I actually like it. And yeah, I'm trying to upgrade my style, and if I like something, I'm gonna do it instead of asking, is this look cute, is this look cute? I mean, sometimes I still ask if something is cute or not, but I'm trying to build myself into like, if I like it, then it's good enough. Like I don't need to be asking 4 or 5 people the same question and multiple times because I think it's cute and I just need validation. I'm trying to stop that. So if I finish this hairstyle and I think it's cute, then I'm gonna wear it, you know? I think it's cute. Okay guys, thank you for watching today's video and today's vlog. We love a good maintaining self-care video. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope you liked it, and please don't forget to subscribe. Please if you like this video, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video next week. Bye guys. Mwah.